Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and staying safely at your home. I welcome you all to the English class. Today, the day is Thursday and it is 23rd of July 2020. Let us see today's thought for the day. Today's thought for the day is practice kindness all day to everybody and you will realize you're already in heaven now. So the thought says that you have to be very kind for your own inner peace. So children, be kind to everybody, even animals and insects. So let us proceed to our class. So today we are going to do chapter 5 of English literature, that is plastic plants. So children, one fine morning Miss Leslie greeted her kindergarten class with a special plan. She announced that her superstar would enjoy a day under the sun. Unsurprisingly, every single child burst into applause. Stephen shouted the loudest, "We should go to the park." Miss Leslie laughed heartily and agreed. So in the story you can see that Miss Leslie is announcing that her children, her superstar would enjoy a day under the sun. She is going to take her class out for the trip and everyone in the picture is very happy, and Stephen, a boy in the class, is shouting that we should go to the park. As Stephen says that they should go to the park, Miss Leslie laughed and agreed. In a matter of moments, all the children were lined up at the exit with their little backpacks on and water bottle hanging around their necks. So, as the bus took for the park, the little children could not resist planning their games. So now the children started planning their games. What games they are going to play in the park. So Stephen wanted to play ball, but Kelly wanted to play tag with the girls. So here Stephen and Kelly, a girl and a boy in the class, they had a different opinion for the games. Stephen was planning to play ball with the boys, where Kelly wanted to play tag with the girls. Now, after some time, Mr. Kelly started giving instruction to the class. She is telling, "My little superstar, please be careful and please stay away from the pond. We don't need our little hero being rescued from the mucky water like last time, do we?" Miss Leslie, after that, let the kid rush into various spots of the park after her standard safety instructions. So, they ran onto the lawn only to stop in dismay. A classmate, Mike, tripped on a plastic bottle and bruised his knees right before the entrance to the sand area. So In the story, now the children are running and they started playing in the park. Miss Leslie told them, instructed them to be careful, and she instructed specially to Sin not to go towards the pond because he was already being rescued from that water earlier when they visited the park. So when they were playing and running towards the different directions towards the park, what happened? Mike tripped on a plastic bottle and he got hurt on his knees. It was right before the entrance to the sand area. So instead of joining his friends, Stephen stayed back with Mike. So when they stayed back, Mike and Stephen started having conversation. Here Mike is saying, "I wish I hadn't tripped. I am sorry for ruining your fun." "Stephen," said Mike, with the most apologetic face that Miss Leslie had ever seen. So, right, children, when Mike and Stephen were having conversation, Stephen stayed back with Mike, right, after he got hurt on his knees. So they start having conversation when they sat by the swings and they watched everyone else. So here Mike is saying to Stephen that, "I wish I hadn't tripped. I'm sorry for ruining your fun, Stephen." So Stephen replied, "It's not your fault. It's the plastic bottle that got in your way." So Stephen is telling Mike that it is not Mike's fault. It is the plastic bottle that got into the Stephen's way. So while having conversation, Mike and Stephen were sitting by the swings and they were watching everyone else and they were having conversation saying that Mike was really sorry for the Stephen because you know that Stephen was one of the most excited boy to visit the park, but Stephen, when his friend got hurt, Stephen didn't join the other friends, so he sat with Mike and he's telling to Mike that it's not your fault, it's the plastic bottle that got in your way. So let us keep our story till here, student. We will see another part of the story, what happens next in the next class. So thank you, children. Hope you all understood the story till here. Yes, and hope you're liking the story. So thank you, children. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.